Bambu Labs recently added a very cool feature to the MakerWorld 3D website in collaboration with the makers of Fusion. What they have done is make direct editing of designs possible on the MakerWorld site for designs where the designer uploaded a Fusion parametric file together with the 3D design. This new feature is made for those who do not want to or even know how to use CAD programs. It appears they may eventually turn this into a paid feature, but for now it's free. In this short video, I will show you how to use one of my own recent uploads to change my dimensions to your own needs without having to open a CAD program. I'll also show you how to upload such designs if you yourself are a 3D designer using Fusion. If you click the link in the description, it'll take you to my MakerWorld upload page that I'm showing here. My uploaded design, called Stackable Parametric Gridfinity Coin Organizer, is a parametric design I recently uploaded. Click on it to try it out and follow along here to see how easy it is to make parametric changes. Select the top print profile and then click on Customize. A window pops up with my Fusion file. Click on Customize again. And now you wait while Fusion is calculating all the holes and features in my design. It will take a few seconds because there are so many holes. Now that the original appears, let's change the quarter bin into a dime bin. The new measurements are 19.3 and 1.75 millimeters and a quantity of 10. Once you have that input, hit generate, and once again you wait. I showed this real time because the first time I tried this, I didn't think it worked because it took so long. So now click download and select your printer type and just put it whatever folder you want. And you can also rename it at this point. I use 3MF files. That's it. You're done. Now for the designers posting parametric designs. From your Fusion design, get rid of any items other than the parametric design you're posting. Now export the file. In order to make this work in MakerWorld, you need to export it to a 3MF file or a step file. I like to use the step file as it's less confusing since I have folders that already have 3MF and STL files. As you open the folder, you'll see the new step file. Open this in Bambu Studio. You can change the linear and angle precision here. It's probably not necessary. Now save this as a normal Bambu 3MF file. This is the file you want to upload to MakerWorld. I already saved my file, so I'm just going to cancel here. So go to MakerWorld and click Upload. and new design. And yeah, you have a 3MF file. So here's where you drop that new 3MF file that was made by a step file. And here is where you put your Fusion file. And that's it. Other than that, it's the same as always. I make a lot of designs in Fusion. I have not had time to post most of them. As I almost always make my designs parametric, I do intend to post many of them in this manner going forward. I hope you'll do the same if you're one of the folks that post your designs. I also hope my video helped you. If so, help me out too by subscribing to my channel. Happy 3D printing.